Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a 80s Chrome logo in Photoshop. Create a new dark blue canvas in Photoshop. Type your logo text using bold retro fonts. Apply bevel and emboss for metallic shine. Then add a gradient overlay with pink and blue tones. Don't duplicate text and move slightly for 3D depth. Create a grid background using thin white lines. Lower it opacity for a subtle sci-fi look. Paint a soft white flare above the text. Duplicate text, flip vertically for the reflections. Mask the bottom half of the fade reflection. Adjust color balance for 80s tone. Your retro Chrome logo is completely and glowing. Thanks for watching.